Good morning, everybody. So let's get right to it and discuss open for tomorrow, Monday. As we discuss, everybody, guys, open have squeezed almost 100%, and now it's having a pullback because we have big seller. So we have to discuss where the price will reverse next week on Monday, and are we gonna have another 100%? Because we already tested the $10 psychological level. All right, now we are pulling back. So let's get right to it. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for educational purposes, and we're not provide any financial advice, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, let us discuss open price action. As you can see here, we went until the $10. We already discussed early on open before the price test this level on our Discord and Patreon, guys. As we see here, we have a reversal from the 880. We test the 880 and we reverse. This was on Friday, and before that we discussed open before the huge jump that we did. Of course, back here once the price was around the 587. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join our update every day before even the market open and before the jump. So for now, guys, what we should expect, because right now we reverse from the 877, the current support. And as you see here, we have tested our resistance just below the $11. And now we've got a big seller. Let me just show you what's happened exactly on the Friday. We have a big seller at the market open, just added their position here around the $10.39. So this is a psychological level that we should break the next time on Monday. And we are a bit far from this place, almost 13%, yes. So 13%, this is the place that we're gonna confirm that we're gonna have a reversal. But for now, we have this level that we should break. Let me just show you with this triangle. Here, this is the price that we should break, or the sellers that we have to overcome in order to go higher once again over the $11. So next Monday or tomorrow in the pre-market, we might have a test for this triangle. The best case scenario is gapping up over the $10.39. This will be the easier way for a clear indication that we have a big buyer in the over the weekend. If we didn't and the price still below this triangle, is mean we're gonna accumulate here. And if we have a good buyer, we should hold the $8.77, break the $10.39, and go higher for the ultimate target that we're gonna discuss for this September, guys. For this month, the ultimate target we're gonna discuss in a bit. But for now, we have to discuss the bearish side first. So if we broke the $8.77, I'm watching for the next dip reversal, because once we tested this level before the market closed by 3 hours, we reversed 7%, so it's not bad. Next time, if we broke the $8.77, I expect reversal here from the $7.44 and the $6.48. What I mean about reversal and a dip reversal, I mean, if the price pulled back almost 18% or almost 17%, I expect a huge reversal from there, and we might do 15% or more and trigger squeeze reversal from down, as is what happened before, if you remember, guys. Around the 8th of September, we pulled back 22%. And guess what? After this, we have the major news regarding the CEO of Shopify actually been assigned to be CEO of Open. And that's what happened actually. Good news after the market closed. Yes, it's a fundamental play, but after we pulled back 22%, we squeezed almost 100% from the 5 until the 11. So this is what we expect again for open. If we have a really good jump, we have to have a reversal up from the 5, like what happened here. We have a really good reversal from the 5 until the 11. We did almost 90%. Again, if we have this reversal, it could be really good dip here and do another 70%. My target for this month, from my opinion, is around the 1330. Should be a really good level to go to. So I'm watching for two dip around the $7.44 and $5.60 or $6.48. Yes, those two levels. But I expect a reversal before that around the $7.44 if we broke the $8.77. If we don't break the $8.77, would be the best case scenario, and the bullish case scenario is holding the $8.77, break this triangle, holding over the $10.39 after the market open, and then going toward the 1330. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you expect the price will test the 1330 next week or this month, or are we going to have a pullback before a jump up? Thank you for watching, and see you all by Monday. Remember, guys, we're going to do live streaming 30 minutes before the market open as usual. on our YouTube channel. And so if you want to have early access and of course a pre-market update for Open, if we have a pre-market gap, the link comes section below to our Discord and Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.